Hello, it is after 11 o'clock and I have come to the kitchen to fix myself something to eat because I am still hungry. I did have dinner. I do not believe in going to bed hungry, nor do I believe that you should not eat after a certain hour. Those are just my principles. I don't tell people what to eat, when, and when not to eat. This is my recipe. It's vegan and gluten-free. It has raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries, bananas, kale, and spinach with almond milk. This is about eating healthy when you're hungry and it's late at night. My stomach is happy. I'm happy. This is guilt-free food, and I will not suffer the consequences of eating this. So I'm happy. What better way than to go to bed happy, eating something healthy and guilt-free? Good night.